An Elasticube schema only shows the data sources, the relationships between them, and any steps to prepare or transform the data. In order to actually import the data into the cube and format it correctly, you will need to do a build. This can be done when an initial schema is complete for the first time, or when changes are made to an existing schema. To do the build, you simply click on Build, and you'll notice that there are two options. The first is Build Schema Changes. This takes into account specific changes in an existing schema. Schema changes may be new or removed relationships, new or removed tables, new, removed, or changes to a custom table or to a custom field. These factors will be taken into a schema change build. A build entire will build the entire Elasticube from scratch, so both for existing and for new aspects to the Elasticube. Once you've made your selection, there are further settings that can be chosen. The most important is, if you're just doing testing, to limit the number of imported rows. So you can actually limit the number of rows that get imported on any specific build. Another important configuration is deciding where to actually import the data to. So you might be working with one or more servers, and over here you can make a selection of the relevant server to choose, or you can add a new server before doing the build. Most importantly is understanding these two options. So again, if you're working with an existing schema and there's been changes and you only want those changes to be taken into account, this obviously means that the build time will be much faster. You would do build schema changes. If it's the first time you're doing a build, or you want to start a build from scratch, you would select Build Entire Elasticube. Once you've made the selection, you click on Build, and the build and the import will begin.